What's up, guys, and welcome back to the automotive channel. And today, I know once again you guys have to wait for another video like 2 or 3 weeks, almost a month, but it's okay because today's video is going to be absolutely awesome. So I'm back on Lake Nepsing where I filmed that 4th of July video with my cousin Aaron, but except that right now it's February and it's the winter. It's really freaking cold, so the lake is frozen, so that means we get to go ice riding and snow drifting. So right here though, you guys think I might have got like something else for today, but only the running driving vehicle I got is this, the Duromax 440cc Kawasaki Mule, and I'm about to go ahead and go ice drifting on it or just riding in general. And with my cousin Aaron, he's going to be riding on his Suzuki four-wheeler.
Hey, you want to do a lap, or do you just want to...
A lap? We can just horse around, and whenever I decide to do a lap, I'll say, hey, let's go ahead and do this. But yeah.
Well, the lap goes quick with this thing. I don't know about you.
Yeah, no, mine is going to be slow because, like I said, this thing whopping 24 miles an hour.
Well, the other side of the lake is a place where dirt bikers like to horse around.
Oh, nice. I might, you know what? After I fix my dirt bike, which it doesn't run right now, I might.
That thing started. They're hella fun out there.
Oh yeah. So yeah. For tonight, we're just gonna horse around in the Kawasaki Mule. So comment below if you guys want me to bring the dirt bike out here, which I haven't even made a video on yet. So I don't know why I'm spoiling it. But next video, I'll make it about my dirt bike.
You just upload it afterwards.
You know what? That's fair. But.
And you told me you had no content left.
Bro, I said this is filmed in early February. So yeah, also we have Aaron's brother Chase. I'm gonna drag him on that tube behind there, but I don't know how he's gonna handle the donuts. But you gotta know how to tie that. Well, hell, me and Aaron, that is shit. What is that? So yeah, the last video I made on this thing, I did a top speed run, and it did pretty well, so I'm going to see how it handles against this frozen lake, which off camera, we just rode around for a little bit, and this thing is pretty fun to drive on the lake. I had the locking diff enabled, and it's still in gear, so yeah.
But I just want to take you over probably where Castaways used to be.
Oh, okay.
They demolished it, and also that thing behind you is an ice boat.
Oh, that's your guys' ice boat?
My grandpa's the biggest one we own.
Neat. Well, yeah, this is pretty neat, not gonna lie.
You can't run them in snow. You have to wait for no snow to be around.
Oh, so it's just got to be ice and not snow. But there are
so
some
pretty much when you can't run four-wheelers, you can run the ice boat. And when you can't run the ice boat, you can run the four-wheelers.
Or snowmobiles. But yeah.
Snowmobiles go whatever the fuck they feel like.
It's basically, snowmobiles are basically just tanks without the gun. That's why.
Hey, there's two guys horsing around out there over there right now.
Oh really? Oh yeah. They're both. No, those are cars.
And it's a snowmobile.
Oh wait, never mind. I see him. The guy with the little light.
Actually, one of those houses over there, there's a guy with a really old recalled three-wheeler that he's been fixing up for years.
Oh, like a Honda ATC, or is it a different one?
Exactly, a Honda ATC.
Nice.
Same color as mine. Orange, bright ass orange.
Okay, I see you. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get set up. We'll fire our stuff up and.
You don't want the DNR.
Right, I'm gonna wear a helmet this time too. So we're gonna go ahead and fire our stuff up. Oh really?
Yeah.
This helmet barely fits me, and we're gonna go ahead and. Ow. We're gonna go ahead and fire our stuff up and be back. See you then. All right, Corey, what are you doing?
You have to turn my thing fully over.
Alrighty, so yeah, with all that said, I guess we're ready. Flick on the lights because it's gonna get dark pretty fast, and we're gonna start slow, and then we're probably gonna go do donuts or something, I don't know, so let's get it. Uh-oh. Dude, something just happened. Something just happened, bro. Oh, there we go. All right, now we're in business. What? All right. Damn it. I'm stuck. I'm stuck, bro. There we go. I think I'm stuck. Give me a push. There you go. Now we're going. Corey, get out of the way. Woohoo! No traction. Oh my gosh. Come on, get some traction, you piece of junk. Ah. Oh my gosh. I'm just constantly spinning the tires. Locking dip is on, but it ain't doing much. Oh my gosh. Ah. This thing's kind of fun, but not very good due to the lack of knobs in the tires. Okay, okay. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Sorry. What? Oh yeah. My bad. I just wanted to do donuts. Slight update. Chase is going to be pulled by Aaron because this thing barely has enough traction, and to be honest, I just want to do some donuts. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and get him hooked up, and we should be back on the road, or the ice, I should say. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and keep riding until it gets dark, because honestly, this is really friggin' fun. Man, especially in a jerry-rigged machine like this thing. But, all right, let's get it. All right. Start her up. Ah, shit, still in gear. No, I'm stuck again. I'm stuck again. Gotta get this thing going. Ah. Hey, yo, I need a push. I need another push. This thing ain't that good at getting going on ice. Like, damn, we need new tires. All right. Oh, he's gonna push me with the four-wheeler? Oh, nope. Thank you. Woohoo! All right. I'm gonna stay away from Aaron so this thing doesn't fly right into him. Oh, now we're moving. Now we're moving. Sometimes I have traction, sometimes I don't. Oh, his rope snapped off. Well, I went for these donuts. I'm gonna just drive around while they help Chase get back on. Hey yo, folks. Yeah, we're gonna go all the way across. Come on. Go! You piece of junk. Alright, there we go. If I had studded tires, we'd be flying. But for now, I only got these old, knobless tires. Aaron's like, ah, oh, damn, not again. Alright. Yeah, that's for show how crappy these tires are. And wheels. They're pretty rusted up too. Huh? I need another push, that's the problem. Huh? Alright. Yeah. As you can see, look at this. No traction whatsoever. Man, that's great. What was that?
We're going to go pace off and then we're going to grab for like 15 minutes and then we're going to go. Yeah.
Alright, alright.
Well,
yeah, go ahead. Have fun. I got a good push. Alright, ready? Thanks, man. I'll follow you. Follow you back. It's almost completely dark at this point. Alright. We're going back. Get it. Pretty good. Just gonna cruise. Yeah, we're cruising. Yeah, you're gonna beat me. This guy's over there, probably ice fishing. Oh, you're totally crap. Oh. Yep, there's his house over there. We're going back. This thing won't stop losing traction. But he's gone. Everything all right back there? Who knew that waves are so bumpy? Frozen waves. There it goes. Onto his lawn. Or his boat ramp. Woo! And just like that, we're back on land. Well, kind of. I'm stuck. Yeah, you can get off. Hot darn. He's just gonna keep on going, huh? This thing ain't very good for the snow, but if we put some chains around the tires, then it'll be a different story. Wow. That was pretty fun. That was pretty fun. Maybe I have to call Aaron over here to tow me out, but yeah. I guess that's gonna wrap it up for y'all. So guys, over-exaggerated video outro coming. So if you guys enjoyed that, definitely smash that like button. It was honestly a lot of fun. Do I recommend a Kawasaki Mule KAF 300A from 1992 to drift on ice around with old tires and crap? Absolutely not. I don't recommend it because it...
Hit the rocks above, dude.
The what?
There's a ramp here, the boat launch ramp.
Ah, balls.
And you went up the rocks.
Oh, of course I went up the rocks.
You want to back it up so you can get up the ramp?
I tried, but it's stuck again. Hey, don't blame me. My parents bought this piece of trash, and I tried
Yeah,
it.
true.
I
Get it in neutral so I can push it back down the hill.
Yeah, it's already in neutral. Anyway, but before we do so, I'm gonna end this.
Probably have to pull it up the rock.
Yeah, we're gonna pull it up. That's probably the best thing to do. All right, there we go. There we go. So yeah, off camera, we're gonna get this out off the ice. So if you guys enjoyed this, definitely smash that like button. Comment below if you guys want me to do something like this again, but except with something else like my dirt bike, because as soon as I want to make like a build video on it to get it running, and then I'll go zooming out there. I'll get a studded tire for it. So yeah, with all that said, hope you guys, I'll see you soon. I know content's pretty slow right now, but hey, life is life. I got work tomorrow. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.